Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got some paints to play with. I also ordered these Snazaroo, I think that's how you say it, face paints off Amazon, and you can see I didn't open them. It was like £16 for all 8 colours, and they're not even like the little itty bitty ones. I was going to get some from Argos, and when I did I got them and the pans were like this big, but these ones are the same size as the big pans that you'll get, so I just got them. If I find the link I'll put them down below. Halloween look, I promised that I would do 4 and so far I've done 3, so I really wanted to try and do one more. I'm trying to do like a pumpkin-y vibe. There we go, so that sort of pumpkin-y vibe. So that's the intention. I think I'm gonna do something kind of half facey, I want to say. So something very similar to this. Give that a screenshot. That's All Things Beauty, no, Ali Things, Ali all Y Things Beauty on Instagram. And then I'm gonna mix that with the first one that I just showed you. So I'm gonna, they're my inspiration that I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So what I'm going to do is do kind of my base on this side of my face, so we'll kind of have the pumpkin coming like this, and I'm going to do this eye, and then we'll get into the pumpkin. So yeah, if you like the sound of that and those ideas, then just keep on watching. So everything's somewhat done. Look at the difference that makes. Anyway, I'm going to zoom you guys closer. We'll get on to doing this eye and then the pumpkin face. I'm going to start off quite heavily with the shade Majesty from the Kaylee and SOSU palette, the Urban Bible one, and really put that kind of in the crease and everywhere. Now I'm going to take the shade Secure from the Jaclyn Hill Folk collection, the Almond and Gorgeous palette, which is just this one here. Then I'm just going to get this really tiny brush and blend that out with the shade Faith, which is this lovely yellow here from the Urban Bible palette. So nice and neon on this little brush, and we're going to blend this out. This is what we got so far. I can see that we built up this yellow area a fair bit. It's not actually as bright as I wanted it. What we're going to do is just cut the crease with whatever's left here. Take whatever's left on my hand from when I did the base, because it's only a little bit that needs cutting. Then I'm going to take the shade Glitter It, which is this shade here from the Almond and Gorgeous palette. It's a really lovely gold. I'm just going to take that on my finger, to be honest. And then go back in with a little bit of Secure, and then I really want to deepen that. Shade Prophecy from the Urban Bible palette, which is this one here. It's a very kind of lovely brown. Put this in the outer area. And then go back in with those oranges. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just put some eyeliner on and my eyebrow, and I'll be right back. So we're done. I did the bottom lashes too, went a little bit overboard. What I'm going to do now is zoom you guys back out, and we're going to kind of outline where we want our lovely orange situation to go. So I'll still leave you relatively zoomed in. You can see my beautiful hair and just not the washing in the corner. So what I'm going to do is, I think, taking the shade Saviour from that Kaylee palette. Actually, I'm taking the shade Prophecy. That is the general outline, I guess. Just trying to think, the only thing really now to do is to paint myself orange, so let's just time lapse it. Okay, so I started doing the mouth and I forgot I hadn't filmed. So this is what we got on the eye. I've just gone in fully blacked out so that when I do this it looks a bit creepy. So I've literally just done a kind of quick sketch of what I want the mouth to look like. And now I'm just painting it in. Okay, so I did it again. I just completely forgot about the filming. So as you can see, I've done some stripes and coloured my mouth in. My teeth look so white. So what I'm going to do is now do some shading. I'm going to shade this area first. I'm going to take the shade Hunts from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, which is this one here. Just a nice orange, and the same brush that we used our orange on before. And we're just going to shade everything. We're going to go with the orange, the dark orange first. Right, so I'm going to take the shade Jax mixed with the shade Soda Pop. So I'm taking this one and this really dark brown, maybe this one too. Just kind of blend that black out a little bit more. But I'm going to continue blending this situation and I'll be right back. Shading done. This is the situation. I mean, it's not the best, but you know, we'll go with it. So what I'm going to do now is take those similar colours that I just shaded my neck with and kind of start blending this. Now I'm going in with the black. Oh my god, they've got their nose painted out. I forgot about doing my nose. Nose is sorted. I'm just gonna make that all a little bit more dirty. So I'm just adding in some brown shadow around these bits as well as some of that kind of reddy orange. I want to say I'm done, but I also don't think I am. Just sharpening the line up now too. And then I'm going to do some like little quirky things. I think I'm done. I'm just going to put some more paint on my lips and I'll be right back. Hello! Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. Just sort my hair out a little bit. So this is the finished look for you. Please excuse the One Direction top. It's not as scary, but I mean, them breaking up was very scary. So I hope you enjoyed my pumpkin and also my little lovely eye. I probably should have done it where I can keep both eyes open, but I'm going to edit this in my Instagram photo so it's like a fully black eye. So there we go. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. This will probably be the last Halloween look that I do because I've got quite a busy week ahead, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to film or so in between. But I am so pleased that I got these paints. Such good value for money. Like, they just work amazingly. Very, very happy. I will link below where I exactly got them off Amazon and you can get them yourself, but they're very good because I think they're on offer at the moment. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, all of that good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!